My name is Benedict Grubner, and today I will be reviewing the Electronic Specialties 196 Universal Relay Buddy. Let's get right into it. Comes in this cardboard box with this carrying case that includes a warranty card and instruction manual inside. This relay tester can check both 4-pin and 5-pin relays of the 12 volt or 24 volt configurations. The tool has two buttons, one for 5 or 4-pin relay selection, and then another button to initiate the test of the relay. It's also got some very nice long leads, which make it easy to connect to the vehicle's battery and reach a relay that might be more remotely located in relation to the battery. If you do happen to hook up the tester to a battery that measures below 11.5 volts, the green and the red lights will flash once. If you connect the tester to a battery that measures over 26 volts, then both of those lights will flash twice. Now for a quick demonstration of the tool, I want to test this 4-pin 12 volt relay. It's part of a brand new fuse box, and it's going to be used on the fog lamp circuit on a vehicle. I have a 12 volt 7 amp hour battery that I'm going to be using for this test. Connecting the tester up. Going to proceed to plug in the relay into the tester. It is a 4-pin, so I'm going to select 4-pin, and I'm going to press the test button to begin the check of the relay. And you can hear that relay switching. In this case it failed because I didn't have the relay properly seated. So in this case I would proceed again by fully pressing the relay in and pressing the test button again. Alright, the relay is fully seated now, so I'm going to hit test. And it passes this time. One thing to keep in mind with this tool is that it's not a substitute for a multimeter, and it's not going to be able to test the relay under every single current draw situation, and the instruction manual does acknowledge that as well. But that being said, I'm definitely looking forward to getting more use out of this tool and adding it to my diagnostic arsenal.